Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel, check the links in the description for the best deals on all the screens featured today, and leave a comment telling us which one you'd choose for your car. Now, let's jump in. If you've ever gone on a long road trip with bored passengers, struggled with a tiny factory screen, or wished your car had modern display features without replacing the entire head unit, you're not alone. A quality car display can completely transform your driving and passenger experience, whether it's for entertainment, navigation, or wireless smartphone integration. In this video, I'm counting down the best car display screens available right now, and by the end, you'll know exactly which option fits your vehicle, your lifestyle, and your budget. So stay with me till the end. Starting at number 5, the XTRONS 17.3-inch 16.9 ultra-thin FHD digital TFT screen is designed for drivers and families who want a large, cinema-style viewing experience inside their vehicle. This display features a massive 17.3-inch Full HD resolution screen with a 16.9 aspect ratio that delivers sharp visuals and vibrant colors. It uses digital TFT technology for consistent brightness, includes multiple video input options such as HDMI and AV, and features an ultra-thin design that helps it blend smoothly into modern car interiors. The screen supports wide viewing angles and is built with durable materials intended for long-term automotive use. What makes the XTRONS screen stand out is its sheer size and clarity, making it ideal for rear-seat entertainment in SUVs, vans, and family vehicles where passengers want a premium viewing experience. It's perfect for road trips, movies, and gaming consoles on the go. While its large size may not be suitable for smaller cars, the immersive experience it delivers still makes it worth buying. At number 4, the Carplay wireless portable touchscreen car stereo offers a flexible upgrade for drivers who want modern smart features without permanent installation. This unit features a responsive touchscreen display that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless access to navigation, music, calls, and apps. It includes built-in Bluetooth, a speaker for audio playback, multiple audio output options, and compatibility with rear-view cameras for added safety. The portable design allows it to mount on the dashboard and connect through your car's existing audio system. This screen shines for drivers who want quick access to smart features without modifying their factory head unit, making it perfect for older cars or leased vehicles. The wireless connectivity keeps the cabin clutter-free and easy to use. While the internal speaker isn't meant to replace a full sound system, the convenience and versatility still make it a solid purchase. Coming in at number 3, the ZBARK 17.3-inch car overhead flip-down monitor screen is built specifically for rear-seat entertainment. This flip-down monitor features a large 17.3-inch screen with a high-resolution display, wide viewing angles, and LED backlighting for consistent brightness. It supports HDMI and AV inputs, making it compatible with DVD players, streaming devices, and gaming consoles. The overhead mounting design allows the screen to fold away neatly when not in use, preserving cabin space and aesthetics. The ZBARK monitor stands out as an excellent choice for families with kids or frequent passengers who want a dedicated entertainment solution for long drives. It delivers a theater-like experience that keeps everyone entertained. Installation requires overhead mounting, but the performance and screen size make it well worth the effort. At number 2, the HAUXIY wireless Apple CarPlay screen delivers a sleek and modern solution for drivers who prioritize smartphone integration. This display features a crisp touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, allowing easy access to navigation apps, messaging, music streaming, and voice control. It includes Bluetooth connectivity, built-in speakers, multiple mounting options, and support for rear camera input to improve driving safety. The interface is clean, responsive, and designed for distraction-free operation. This screen is perfect for drivers who want a modern dashboard experience without replacing their factory stereo. It's especially great for commuters and rideshare drivers who rely heavily on navigation and hands-free features. While the screen size may feel modest compared to larger overhead displays, the smart functionality easily makes it worth buying. Taking the top spot at number 1, the Padarsy 7-inch LED Backlight TFT LCD monitor is a versatile and reliable display suitable for a wide range of automotive uses. This monitor features a 7-inch TFT LCD screen with LED backlighting for clear visibility, multiple video inputs for cameras or media devices, and support for both PAL and NTSC video systems. It is commonly used as a backup camera monitor, headrest display, or auxiliary screen, and its compact design makes it easy to install in various vehicle setups. What makes the HAUXIY monitor the best overall choice is its flexibility and reliability, making it ideal for drivers who want a dependable screen for safety or entertainment without spending too much. It's perfect for backup camera setups or secondary displays. While it doesn't offer smart features like Carplay, its simplicity and performance still make it a great buy. That wraps up our countdown of the 5 best car display screens. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, check the links in the description to get the best deals on these car display screens, and leave a comment below sharing which one you liked most or if you're already using one. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.